The crypto market is showing signs of rhythm and pause simultaneously as Bitcoin holds steady and altcoins attempt to carve out momentum. Bitcoin remains locked in a consolidation range, not yet breaking out to a fresh high, which is creating a kind of waiting game for many investors. At the same time, Ethereum appears to be gathering some steam, and Solana, BNB, and other altcoins are beginning to attract attention beyond pure speculation. We begin with Bitcoin. After its recent run higher, Bitcoin is hovering near its key resistance zones, with not enough aggressive breakout conviction to propel it significantly higher just yet. This kind of consolidation is typical after a strong move, and it often precedes either a sharp breakout or a deeper pullback. Because Bitcoin is the market's anchor, its movement or lack thereof is influencing everything else. While Bitcoin holds in this range, capital is rotating somewhat into other coins that offer higher perceived upside, which brings us to Ethereum is showing more strength than just weak support. Its recent performance suggests a renewed interest among traders shifting some exposure into ETH. The fact that Ethereum is gaining while Bitcoin is not roaring ahead signals a possible shift in market sentiment toward more diversified crypto portfolios. Next up, Solana is being highlighted again by the community. As a Layer 1 blockchain with strong developer ecosystem and recent upgrades, it is viewed as one of the more plausible alternative plays. If capital starts to flow into projects beyond the major two, Solana stands to benefit. BNB also deserves mention. As the native token of a major exchange ecosystem and blockchain, BNB tends to reflect both utility and speculation. Its relative stability compared to smaller altcoins makes it a sort of middle ground, not as dominant as Bitcoin, but more established than many altcoins chasing hype. On the broader altcoin front, the market is beginning to quietly whisper of altcoin season again. The signs are there. Bitcoin dominance has slightly edged down. Capital is experimenting with non-BTC ETH options, and smaller projects are seeing episodic gains. But caution is warranted. Many altcoins remain thinly traded, highly sensitive to broader market sentiment and macro factors like regulation, risk appetite, and liquidity. One of the key factors right now is that while Bitcoin is consolidating, it is not faltering dramatically. That's important because a breakdown in Bitcoin would likely trigger widespread pain among altcoins. On the flip side, if Bitcoin does break upward meaningfully, many altcoins will likely benefit from the lift as well. In short, the market is in a kind of holding pattern. The major coins are stable. Altcoins are trying to break out, and the next move may be decisive. For traders, this means being patient. Recognize when Bitcoin is ready to run, and monitor shifts in flows toward Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and selected altcoins. For investors, the message is to keep your exposures in line with your risk profile, because while the upside is compelling, the risks remain elevated. Ultimately, the crypto market today is balancing between consolidation and activation, waiting for volume, liquidity, and sentiment to decide its next move. Stay alert, manage risk, and don't assume the current tranquility means no movement. Often it just means the calm before the next wave.